Hi guys สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน วันนี้เราจะมาเรียนรู้การอ่านคำภาษาอังกฤษแบบ Phonics กันนะคะ ซึ่งเป็นรูปแบบการอ่านสะกดคำด้วยเสียงของตัวอักษรค่ะ Enjoy reading together. Let's get started. A E I O A all and e a ow e ow a oo I l br the ng sh sm k hard c k soft c s A baker lives in a small town. Every day, he makes banana bread at his bakery. His thick, brown banana bread is delicious. It has a wonderful smell. Every morning, Jack sits down in front of the bakery and smells the banana bread. Jack is a poor man. He doesn't have enough money to buy the banana bread, but he loves the smell. One winter day, the baker sees Jack smelling the banana bread. He gets very angry. "You are stealing of my banana bread," he says. "You can't do that. You must pay me for it." "I'm not eating the banana bread," answered Jack. "I don't have to pay just to smell it." "Yes, you do," says the baker. "Let's ask the judge," says Jack. The judge listens to Jack and the baker. "This is a difficult problem," he says. He sits and thinks. After 2 hours, the judge asks Jack, "Do you have any money?" Jack takes out a little bag with 10 pennies in it. "Checks the bag, Jack," says the judge. Jack checks the bag and the coins jingle. "Listen to the sound of the coins, baker," says the judge. "The sound of Jack's money pays for the smell of your banana bread." Quiz time. Number 1. Why does Jack always sit down in front of the bakery? He'll always sit down in front of the bakery because A. He is a customer. B. He is a manager. C. He wants to buy some banana bread. D. He wants to smell the banana bread. Which one is correct? A, B, C, or D? D. He wants to smell the banana bread. Very good. Number 2. What is the best title of this passage? A. An easy problem. B. A rich baker. C. The smell of banana bread. D. The brown banana bread. Which one? A, B, C, or D? C. The smell of banana bread. Very good. Test yourself ต่อไปเป็นการทดสอบตัวเองนะคะ Number 3. Write 6 sentences in present simple tense from the passage. And number 4. Write 2 questions from the passage, then answer them. You can do it? Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.